Welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to make the A.M.F. The A.M.F is a version of a Long Island iced tea. It just has a couple small changes. One, instead of triple sec, it uses blue Curacao, which is also an orange liqueur, just colored blue. And the second change is instead of Coca-Cola on top, you're gonna add Sprite to give it just a little bit more of a lemony lime flavor. So that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and talk about everything you need to make the drink. It's quite a haul for this one. So you're gonna need vodka, you're gonna need gin, a silver rum, you're gonna need tequila, blue Curacao, some simple syrup, lemon juice, and a lemon lime soda for the topper. I'm gonna be using Sprite for this one. As a garnish, we're gonna use a lemon wedge, and we're also going to include a red cherry. So yeah, after you spend $100 at the store, let's go ahead and make this thing. So we're gonna start off with ½ of an ounce of vodka. Next, we're gonna add in ½ of an ounce of gin. Then we're gonna add ½ of an ounce of our silver rum, ½ of an ounce of tequila, ½ of an ounce of blue Curacao, and ½ of an ounce of simple syrup. Next, we're gonna cut open our lemon and add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Let's go ahead and add ice, and we're gonna give this a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. So go ahead and add some ice to a Collins glass, or you could also serve this in a pint glass, and then go ahead and strain your drink into the glass. We're gonna go ahead and top this off with our lemon lime soda. And lastly, we're gonna go ahead and garnish this with a lemon wedge, and if you want, also a red cherry. All right, and we'll add our Surfside sip straw, and that, my friends, is the A.M.F. Cheers. You know, not a bad version of this drink. It definitely has more citrus flavors than, say, a Long Island iced tea. It looks really cool. It's a very beautiful drink with the blue Curacao in there, obviously. It's a strong drink. So even though it looks like you should be drinking this next to the pool all day, you should probably only have a couple of these. It's pretty strong. And I will say the lemon lime soda adds a little bit extra flavor to it. It also adds sweetness, right? It is a soda after all, which helps hide that alcohol pretty well. So there you have it, friends, the Adios Motherfucker. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and definitely be sure to pick up your set of cocktail cards. They are now available. First link in the description down below if you're curious on those, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.